Who has been appointed as the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option C, Justice Suryakant, who has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize 2025. Right answer is option C, Maria Corina Machado, who won the 2025 Booker Prize for his novel Flash. Right answer is option B, David Saleh. Which team won the Laureus World Team of the Year Award 2025 held in Madrid? Right answer is option C, Real Madrid. Which state government declared 2025 as the Year of Urban Development? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. Gogabi Lake, which was recently designated as 94th Ramsar Site of India, is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Bihar. Who has authored the book titled M.S. Swaminathan, The Man Who Fed India? Right answer is option B, Priyambada Jay Kumar. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index released in October 2025? Right answer is option D, 85th rank. The World Food Prize 2025 has been given to Dr. Marinjela Hungria. She belongs to which country? Right answer is option D, Brazil. Where was the 2025 World Hydrogen Summit held? Right answer is option D, Rotterdam, Netherlands. Guneri village has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of which state? Right answer is option B, Gujarat. Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025 for mathematics? Right answer is option B, Masaki Kashiwara. Where has the first BIMSTEC traditional music festival been held? Right answer is option D, New Delhi. Who has been appointed as the chairman of National Stock Exchange? Right answer is option B, Srinivas Injeti. Where was the ninth edition of 2025 Global Technology Summit held? Right answer is option A, New Delhi. Which institution has launched the first ever India Electric Mobility Index? Right answer is option C, Niti Aayog. In May 2025, India has overtaken which country to become the fourth largest economy in the world? Right answer is option C, Japan. Which country hosted the SCO Summit 2025? Right answer is option C, Tianjin, China. Where was the World Health Summit 2025 held in October 2025? Right answer is option C, Berlin, Germany. Which Indian state has been officially declared as country's first fully literate state? Right answer is option C, Mizoram. Who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025? Right answer is option C, Opal Suchata Chuangsri. What is India's rank in the Global Hunger Index 2025? Right answer is option B, 102nd rank, which has become the first state in India to implement translation system in the Legislative Assembly. Right answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh, who was appointed as the new CEO of the International Cricket Council in July 2025. Right answer is option C, Sanjog Gupta, who was sworn in as the 15th Vice President of India on September 12, 2025. Right answer is option C, CP Radhakrishnan, which Indian has been awarded the 2025 UNEP Young Champions of the Earth Award. Right answer is option D, Zinali Modi, who has won the men's and women's titles in Kabaddi at the Asian Youth Games 2025. Right answer is option B, India. Where will India's first artificial intelligence special economic zone be set up? Right answer is option C, Nava Raipur, Chhattisgarh, who has been appointed as the first deputy managing director of IMF. Right answer is option C, Dan Kadge, which ISRO chief has been honored with the GP Birla Memorial Award in July 2025. Right answer is option B, V. Narayanan, who became the 11th Indian cricketer to be inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame. Right answer is option D, MS Dhoni, who won the Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award for 2025. Right answer is option D, Inquis. Where will India's first private public partnership green waste processing plant be established? Right answer is option A, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, which is the 44th Indian site to be inscribed in the UNESCO World Heritage List. Right answer is option C, Maratha Military Landscapes, which city topped the Smart City Index 2025 released by the International Institute for Management Development. Right answer is option A, Zurich, Switzerland, who has been appointed as the new Director General of the Central Industrial Security Force in September 2025. Right answer is option B, Praveer Ranjan. The United Nations declared the year 2026 as the International Year of. Right answer is option C, Woman Farmer. Which country hosted the G20 summit in 2025? Right answer is option C, South Africa. In which state was India's first underwater museum and artificial coral reef launched in June 2025? Right answer is option D, Maharashtra. According to World Bank, what is the projected economic growth of India for financial year 2025 to 26? Right answer is option B, 6.3%. Which train has officially become the fastest train in India, operating at a maximum speed of 160 km per hour? Right answer is option B, Namo Bharat. Which city will host the 11th Asian Aquatics Championships 2025? Right answer is option C, Ahmedabad. Who has been awarded the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award 2025? Right answer is option C, Kumar Mangalam Birla. Which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushan? Right answer is option A, Sri Lanka. Who has become the first Indian to win the title of Miss Globe International 2025? Right answer is option A, Anuradha Garg. Who has become the first ever woman union law secretary? Right answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana. Where was the World Teak Conference 2025 organized for the first time in India? Right answer is option B, Kochi, Kerala. Which institution topped the NIRF overall rankings for 2025? Right answer is option B, IIT Madras. Who became the first Indian to receive the highest civilian honor of Mauritius? Right answer is option A, Narendra Modi. Which state has topped the medal tally at the first edition of Khelo India Water Sports 2025? Right answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Where is the headquarters of the National Turmeric Board established? Right answer is option C, Nizamabad. MS Swaminathan Award for Food and Peace 2025 was given to Ademola Adenle. He belongs to which country? Right answer is option B, Nigeria. Who has been recently appointed as the first woman and African president of International Olympic Committee? Right answer is option A, Kirsty Coventry. Which state has recently declared 2025 to 35 as the decade of hydropower? Right answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Chenab Bridge connects which two areas of Jammu and Kashmir? Right answer is option D, Kauri and Bakkal. Where has India's first transshipment port, Vizhinjam International Port, been inaugurated? Right answer is option B, Kerala. Which country hosted the 2025 Artificial Intelligence Action Summit? Right answer is option A, France. India's first fully solar powered zoo will be established in which state? Right answer is option B, Karnataka. India's first cheetah safari has been launched in which national park? Right answer is option A, Kuno National Park. India won which medal in Sultan of Johor Cup 2025? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.